Okay guys, here's a 3D rendering finally for the cabinet. This is to size and scale, and the sketch that you guys had, I think it was 32 by 39 and 3/8. And that's what we have here, just an opening in the wall where this would pass through. And I've kicked around some ideas on how to do this most efficiently and make it look clean. But the only thing that I can't change, is just a limitation with the program, is when I tell the cabinet for glass doors, it puts a glass panel on the side, which obviously you guys would not have. But I would essentially build this, and let's look at it in a different mode. I don't know if that clears things up or not. But this is just an opening in the wall, and it would be just a simple case that's 3/4 on the sides, 3/4 material on the bottom, that would slip into the hole. And to trim it out, because obviously we're going to have to put some trim on the side here, there would be this applied panel that you see here. If we look close, it went away. Okay, you can see the side of the cabinet here. There's the edge. That's where the top butts into the side. So this applied panel is attached to the side of the cabinet and screwed in from the inside. And we can cover those screw heads up with some caps. But that would cover up that would trim it out and make it look clean instead of putting a little scribe piece of molding on the side. This is just a much cleaner, more finished look. And could put crown molding on the top. And obviously it's the same thing on this side. So that crown molding would take care of the bottom, or excuse me, the top. The bottom, I'm assuming, this is going to be about 3 feet from the floor. That's not going to be as critical. We can try to get that wall board as tight as possible underneath there, but even if we just put a nice clean bead of silicone on there, you're just never going to see it unless you get down there and look. So glass shelves inside, glass doors. And on the back side, this took some trickery in this cabinet program to get it to do this too. If I understood you guys correctly, it's just a panel with glass like we see here. And obviously these are doors on this side, a little puck light inside here, and you guys would have to get wire in there and then connect that to a wall switch. But I mean, these door construction parts here, stile and rail. So these stiles are a bit in the way. So one option sometimes we'll do is something like this. It's tricky to build the doors this way, but that is a possibility. Obviously the handle wouldn't be here. We just have to put a knob right here on the bottom, but that opens it up much more. And you will see there's just no way around it unless we use some barrel hinges, which are much smaller hinges, and you can't adjust them. They're very unforgiving because once you screw those in, that door's got to be in the perfect place because you can't adjust it like these Euro hinges. They have a little bit of adjustment, and then you can do a soft close mechanism on these. So you will see these guys here. We can get possibly some smaller ones to put on there. Just a couple options. I don't know if that's critical to you guys or not. So that's what we have. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you.